Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. In today's video guys we'll cover a BMW, a problem that can occur on any BMW. So that will be for 3 series, E90, 91, 92, 93 model we'll show, but it will work on other BMWs as well. If your door does not open from the inside, okay, we'll explain what could cause that, how to fix it, and what's the most common reason that it causes that. Now, we'll demonstrate the rear door. On the rear door, usually you have one more cause of that, and it could be the child lock. But the front door will be the same procedure. So, let us show you now what you need to do, guys. Okay, so this is the BMW here, and if your interior door handle, okay, doesn't open the door, we'll show you what could cause that problem. Of course, you have to remove your door panel. We have the videos on the channel. If you want to check it out, please feel free to. But the number one reason BMW door cables attach this way. Most BMWs, we know this from 1998 all the way to recent new models. So when people remove the door panel to put new window regulator, motor or speakers, they will damage that clip. Okay, and we'll show you what could cause that. Now, if that clip gets loose, okay, it will be loose like that. It will come off, and your door handle will not work. This is because the clip does not attach the cable to the door handle. Now, how you guys check this thing out? The only way is to remove the door panel. Another reason could be, okay, a broken clip on this side or not attached cable on this side. If it's not attached right here, okay, it cannot open the door handle again. So the cable has to be attached to the you can see to the bracket for the door lock actuator. Another common problem is broken clip on top of it right here, and this one is replaceable as well. They sell them, not very complicated procedure. You pull it out, replace it with a new one. Now let me show you how you should install your cable to make sure that everything functions good. Okay, get it in here first. Okay, get it in, pull down, make sure it's in all the way. Check out the canal, try to pull it sideways without pulling down. It means the cable is in. Now, for the door cable, you have to hold that door handle activated, not activated, in resting position towards the inside. One person or with one hand, keep it in. Then you get the cable and you push it in on the front side under that lip here, okay, and then you push it down. That's one click, but there is one more, okay, secondary click. So listen for that secondary click, otherwise it's going to come off. And now it's going to work perfect. Now you can see it moves the door actuator, and you have some resistance. If your child lock is activated, usually it's really easy to pull. There is no resistance because it's not activating the spring inside. So if cable is good, door handle is good, child lock is disengaged, then the other reason for not working is the actuator. And we have the video how to do that on almost any BMW that we own. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video will be helpful. See you guys next time.